What's up you guys? My name is Swish. I'm a Zambian creative and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make money in Zambia working from home. Stay tuned. To make money from home, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store and download an app called Spen, spelled as S-P-E-N. Spen is an app that is powered by Government Bank Zambia. So after the app is done downloading, when you open the app, the first portion that comes is create your free account and wave goodbye to transaction fees. So to do this, you simply click sign up. After signing up, you select your country, which is Zambia of course. You choose your currency, which is kwacha, and you add your phone number. You then create your free account by entering your credentials, which are your first name, your middle name if you have, that one is optional, and your last name. Terms and conditions apply. Then create a 6-number PIN and then you confirm your PIN by entering the number again. You receive a message saying, "Congratulations, your account was successfully created." Then you can begin by clicking on Take Me to My Account. For every friend that you invite to join this app, you receive a 15 kwacha referral bonus. You'll then be sent a verification code which you have to enter in the form, and then you'll be taken to the validation process of where it will ask you to present your ID, which is either your NRC or your passport, so that it can match your personal details with the account. And thereafter, voila, you're done. You can start using the app, you invite friends, and you start receiving money comfortably working from home. I've received 150 kwacha on this app by inviting 10 friends. Remember what I said, when you invite a friend, it's 15 kwacha each. Therefore, 15 by 10 equals 150. That's how the Spen app powered by Government Bank works. If you have any questions about this app, feel free to like the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, this is Swish, Zambian Creative, and I'll see you guys next time on my YouTube channel. Yeah!